In the hall of the Palace of Culture of the Rasht district, a meeting of candidates for deputies of Majlisi Namoyandagon of the Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan from the Rasht single mandate constituency number 12 with the residents of Gharm settlements was held. 4 candidates were registered from the Rasht single mandate constituency number 12, including a candidate from the People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan and 3 self-nominated candidates. At the event, candidates for deputies of the Majlisi Namoyandagon of Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan from the Rasht single mandate constituency number 12, Idizoda Faizali Fuzail Sho, Nargiz Majidova, Karomatullah Zoirov, Jamidov Mahmad Amin met with voters and presented their programs. It was noted that elections are an important event in political life and play a key role in the formation of legislative and state administration structures. Active participation of citizens in this important political campaign contributes to the development and national statehood and ensuring the rights of citizens. During the meeting, a useful and fruitful conversation took place between the candidates and participants. In turn, residents expressed their willingness of activity and participate in the elections and contribute to the proper conduct of this important political campaign.